This video will guide you through paying the annual reporting fee for Maryland's Building Energy Performance Standards, or BEPS. The annual reporting fee is required for each BEPS-covered building that is required to submit a benchmarking report. The fee is $100 per building in 2026, and it is adjusted for inflation every year. The fee is paid via the BEPS Portal. Get started by going to the BEPS website and clicking on box 1, Visit BEPS Portal. On the BEPS Portal, you should create a BEPS Portal account if you don't have one already. Click the Register button, fill in your information, and after registering, verify your email by clicking the link sent to you from BEPS MDE. And now that you have an account, go to the list of buildings on the BEPS Portal home screen. Paste your building's unique building ID, or UBID, into the search field and press Enter. You'll then see the building entry and its basic characteristic information. Confirm that you have the correct building selected before proceeding. For guidance on finding and confirming your unique building ID, go to the blue Help button on the BEPS Portal. When viewing your building's entry and basic characteristics, scroll to the right to find 3 fee-related columns: Fee Status, Fee Owed, and Pay Fee. If the building's annual fee has not been paid, then the fee status will show as unpaid, and the Add to Cart button will be green. If the building's annual fee has been paid, or no fee is owed, for exempt buildings, for example, then the fee status will show as paid or waived, and the Add to Cart button will be gray. To proceed, click Add to Cart. If you are benchmarking multiple buildings, repeat these steps until all of your buildings have been added to your cart. To review your cart and check out, go to the top of the BEPS Portal homepage and click View Cart. You'll see the list of UBIDs you selected and the cart subtotal. Be sure to review your cart and check that you have selected the correct UBIDs before payment. If you have added any incorrect UBIDs to your cart, you can remove them by clicking the red Remove button. If you need a quote for payment approval, click View/Download Fee Estimate to print or download documentation of the fee for the selected UBIDs. If you are logged into the portal, any buildings in your cart will stay in your cart until you are ready to check out. If you are not logged in at this point, click the blue Save button at the bottom left of your cart to log into the portal and save these buildings to pay later. When ready to check out, click Submit and Pay. Select your payment method and complete your payment details. Payments can be made by credit card or debit card, personal check, or corporate check. A 2.45% processing fee will be assessed for credit card payments. Select Make a Payment. Complete your payment information. If you would like to receive a payment receipt for the transaction, be sure to enter your email address or phone number at the bottom of the payment screen. Click the checkboxes at the bottom to authorize payment to MDE and authenticate the payment. Once completed, click Continue, which will allow you to review your details and confirm payment. If paying by credit card, you'll be taken to an additional screen to accept the service fee, which will be processed as a separate transaction. Click Accept Fee and process payment. Next, you'll see Payment Successful on your screen. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address used for the BEPS Portal account, including a breakdown of the fees paid for each UBID. Please keep this confirmation email for your records. You will also be able to see in the BEPS Portal that once your payment is accepted, the fee status will change from unpaid to paid. So that's the process for paying the BEPS annual reporting fee. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email our team at beps.mde@maryland.gov.